Morning, Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach here, doing a video walkthrough on this 24-foot Hydra-Sport. Year model is 2005. She has approximately 890 hours on a Yamaha 4-stroke, 250 horsepower engine. This is a big 24-foot boat. We've got rod holders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on each side. You've got in-gunnel storage here. This really neat leaning post. Does have a nice canvas cover that goes over it. Flip up and down cushions, so you can either use it as a seat with a backrest, or you could use it as a leaning post if you're running offshore. There's also some storage for tackle and that kind of stuff inside. Spin it around to the helm. You've got a tilt wheel. There's your single control. That's a 704 remote control for the Yamaha unit. You've got digital gauges for the motor. You got a Garmin 310 GPS depth sounder with radar. Got a Raymarine autopilot. It's currently not working but is on the boat. You got a Fusion stereo and a standard Horizon VHF radio. Cup holders there. Standard electronics box. Nothing in there. Owner currently uses it for storage. And you've got Grand Slam outriggers, tacos on each side. Rod holders there. Huge live well on the transom. Check out the size of this live well. 3 rod holders there. Get a side shot. This motor was just serviced within the last month, including water pump impeller. And owner at that time had compression tests done, which we've got, so it's there for you. Got a cockpit seat that flips up, cushion on top of there. Got some corrosion around that aluminum, the powder coating on the aluminum there, but pretty typical of this age boat. Boat is bottom painted. It's stored in the water. Owner does have a brand new trailer that is going with it. Down in the console, it does have a head. There's your dive ladder. Got some hanging storage here. You can tell the guy catches fish. He's got his Ziploc baggies ready to roll. Couple batteries and your battery selector switch. Huge fish boxes underneath both of these cushions. And then some index storage here. And then anchor storage there. Take a step up to the bow and spin around. Give it a shot. Console cushions have been redone. They're in great shape. VHF antenna. Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Give us a shout. Ask price on this 24 Hydra-Sport is $44,995. It's a nice clean boat, brand spanking new trailer. Give us a call at your convenience to discuss. 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.